Want to lock screen rotation on Roblox and avoid unwanted changes? Here's how to easily fix it on mobile. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Open Roblox settings. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Access your device's settings. Unfortunately, Roblox doesn't have a built-in screen rotation lock. You'll need to adjust your device settings. Step 3. Lock screen rotation on iOS or Android. On iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and tap the rotation lock button to keep your screen orientation fixed. On Android, swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings and find the auto rotate option. Tap it to lock the orientation in either landscape or portrait mode. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Play Roblox in the desired orientation. Once screen rotation is locked, go back to Roblox and start playing in your desired orientation. Your screen won't rotate automatically anymore. That's how you lock screen rotation on Roblox. Use your device's built-in rotation lock to keep your screen from shifting. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.